Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. And today, our market performance, I would say it is an extraordinary performance. And today's trend was exactly similar to Monday's trend. On Monday, SGX Nifty indicated a gap down opening below 17,500. And today also same thing. SGX Nifty indicated gap down opening below 17,500. But we did not open below 17,500 on Monday and today also. Monday, as soon as the market opened, we recovered and we shot up. And Nifty, in fact, Nifty future shot up above 17,700. In fact, closed above 17,700. But today, that shooting up was not that powerful. That's because the banking stocks were under pressure. Nifty future shot up to 17,680. It did not touch 17,700. But again, after touching the high, some profit booking came, closed around 17,650. But still, this performance is considered to be extraordinary given the global cues. European markets were down yesterday, today also down. US markets were down yesterday. Today the futures were down. Of course, when we closed, US futures turned slightly positive, but again, not a big thing. But again, right now they all turned bearish. All red only. I don't know where this Nasdaq will be going. And today it is indicating a gap down open for 8th straight day. Remember, for the last 7 trading sessions, Nasdaq was down. Today, surprising thing was IT index. Both TCS and Infosys recovered from the day's low. In fact, TCS was the main stock that shot up like anything. And in fact, IT index shot up 2% from intraday low. But on the other hand, HDFC Twins came under selling pressure. ICICI Bank came under selling pressure. Reliance came under selling pressure, but that was expected because the crude oil was lower. But despite that, we are down, but we are not out. And, every time when we go below around 17,500, we are recovering. So this is an excellent performance, I would say. Just yesterday only the news came, India has seen 10 crore Demat account opening. So more and more people are opening Demat account. I always say, movie field and stock market both are considered to be very glamorous. More and more people are coming. So hopefully they learn from good people and before coming to stock market. I hope they consider me as a good person for learning. So looking at the open interest, and people are taking 17,600 short straddle. And these people will make some money only if the market is not opening huge gap up or huge gap down. But I think tomorrow we can expect, not a big gap up or a big gap down. People also selling 17,650 call option and also 17,500 put option. So tomorrow people are not expecting any big move. But Bank Nifty, huge calls are written at 39,500 CE and 39,600 CE. So because today, after many days, Bank Nifty has underperformed. So because of that, people are selling more call options in Bank Nifty. So if there is any gap up, these people have to run for cover. So today, what was more surprising, not only the intraday recovery, but the FIIs were net buyers in cash market for about 758 crores. And this is such a big money considering the global cues. I think now FIIs are selling in US and Europe and they're coming and investing in India. So, however, the domestic institutions have sold for about 138 crores. Today, once again, Adani Enterprise hit fresh all-time high. I don't know what happened. This Vodafone Idea shares shot up 10%. And then after that, it has come down. Yeah, I do have some shares in Vodafone Idea. Right now, US futures are, there's nothing to talk about it. In fact, I just tweeted today, every day because the market every day falling, I thought today short covering will come, short covering will come. It has never come. So today I said I'm not going to talk anything about US market. But right now the futures are only lower. But not, I would say the rate of fall has come down. Maybe, it may fall today also, but it may not fall more than 0.5% or maximum 0.75%. Today, around 11:30, US Fed will be releasing the beige book, and where they will be giving their assessment about the economy. What is going to be the assessment. So it's going to be a bearish one only. And tomorrow, European Central Bank is likely to increase the rate of interest by 75 basis points. And many European countries are having more than 10% inflation. So inflation is a very, very big problem in Europe. Right now, if you look at Europe and US, everything completely bearish. But sometimes when everything completely bearish is when the markets may bottom out, may start moving higher. And remember, bull market will always climb the wall of worries. So we will see about that tomorrow. Today I'm not giving any stock recommendation. Maybe tomorrow morning I'll give you. So because I have some throat problem now. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.